The scientist I picked was Joseph Mengele, or better known as the Angel of Death. Mengele was born to a wealthy Bavarian family with a strict Catholic upbringing, and his father owned a business called Firma Karl Mengele and Amp, sown in the village of Gönsberg. Mengele went to the University of Munich. While he was there, he was gained under the influence of Alfred Rosenberg, and got into the Nazi ideology, though he had no political views before this. Then he got a medical degree from the University of Frankfurt am Main. Then he enlisted in the Sturmabteilung in 1933. He joined the research staff of a newly founded Institute for Hereditary Biology and Racial Hygiene in 1934. He served as a medical officer during WW2 for the Waffen-SS. He was then appointed by Heinrich Himmler to be chief doctor at Birkenau, the supplementary extermination camp at Auschwitz, where he and his staff determined who lived and died. He would also supervise medical experiments on inmates to discover means of increasing fertility. Most of his interests came against twins. He would test on 3,000 twins, and only a few survived until the war was over. The treatment was very harsh. He had only one paper published, and it gave him credit, as it was to differ Jews from non-Jews by the shape of their lower jaw. Scientists would later use the Nazi data they have gotten later to advance society. In the short term it was a bad influence, but we were able to use it, quietly after the Nuremberg trials, for brain research. According to Eve Moses Core and Maria Moses, he made experimental surgeries performed without anesthesia, transfusions of blood from one twin to another, isolation, endurance, reaction to various stimuli. He made injections with lethal germs, sex change operations, the removal of organs and limbs, and saw a smiling Uncle Mengele injected chemicals into the eyes of children in an attempt to change their eye color.